In this video we'll be creating this. Let's go straight to it. Obviously the first thing you gotta do, just come straight to new, go straight to text, then you just select in this box, then you click Windows and full stop. Then this bar will appear. Select this arrow, you click X, then you add straight to the timeline. Then it will just come straight to your timeline. Just take this, you make it that big, you move downwards, then you go straight to the middle, you move upwards, just make sure you remove that, you come here, then you just make it around 160. Also choose bold, then you click OK, then that will be it. Then you come here, just go straight to your position, straight here, you just select this, you just move it straight there, it will just face on that side. So from here you click Ctrl Shift E to take the screenshot of it. Then you can just name it AR1 so that you can see this is the first arrow. Then after this you just go straight to your playlist, then you go straight to resend, select here, just double click there, and this is what you have. Just take it and click Ctrl I to open the first take this, you delete it, then you just take here, you put it straight there. This is a picture and it just only has this no filters at all. So from here the first thing you gotta do, you just come straight here. From here you go straight to your filters, you go straight to your position, then from your position just select that's where you want to see it. Then from the bottom just cut, then you just take this and you just hide it there. That will be your second animation. So here you want it to take it, maybe I will start from here, come straight here, just you create like your first animation, go straight to the bottom, just move this a little bit, then you just come straight here, you just click your option, go from previous ease out, then you go straight to this ease out. Do the same also on this one, you come here, then you go straight to this ease out. Then from here you already know this is where like everything will happen. Just click M so that you can put a marker, you go 3 up forward, 1 2 3, then you can just drag control, then you just drag that marker and then you put it straight to there. So you already know here in the want to have our second thing, just click Ctrl C on that image, or you can actually just take your image there from your playlist and you put it there. So the advantage of this will come, the image will be clean with no filters. Done. From here you need to come straight from here, you need to move this picture backwards, then you just go straight to your position. Then you can start in the beginning, maybe you can start from here, then you can go back here, then around here image to come. You can just make sure is online, click Ctrl I. Then you can also do the same thing, click Ctrl C, Ctrl V, then click there. Then you just take this, you can also do it here. So but this time I want this entire, just put a position and you take this entire thing, or let's actually just delete every data fresh. So from here this is where it will be, just add your position there. Then after adding a position you just click copy, select there, that will be your first keyframe. Then you go 3 forward with 1 2 3, then you just drag this forward, right? Then you can go back to your timeline, just select that. You have to copy this because we need that position from here. So just you need to copy like its position. So click Ctrl I, select it, and then you put it straight there. Then you just the first thing you gotta do, put position on each, put position on each. Then you gotta try to move a little bit precise. another way to copy the position much better. Then you just move it upwards 1 2 then from here I just want to take this here, then it will be 1 2 3. Then from here you can just click here to zoom out, then you just take this, move it there, and you can just fix all like your animation. Just come here, go here. Let me just go with smooth one this time. Let's just make them all small without using the ease out, and let's just make the first one also smooth. Then you can see from here it will just start from here quite forward, bam, just like that. And from here you can just come straight here, and you come here, and here you can just write shortcut. Then you can just add to timeline. We'll just go straight to the new layer. Just maybe after times here you can just change it. Just come take this, make sure it's big to the middle, and I'll just drag this sideways. Nice, make it around 160 also, but I hope like it don't get too big. Let's go with 140. This say it's too big, let's go with 110. Okay, go with 90. Let's go with 80. I think that can work. So it will glitch when I play it right now. So I will just have to save it. After saving it, I'll just show you. Okay, let me just try to save the final results. So still guys, you can just you can take so much time just to create this, just to make it kind of look perfect. Just to make it to look perfect, you can take so much time to actually make it. I just did this and I decided to move fast because it's just to show you like the basic idea how to actually make it. So this is how it looks like. I hope you guys did enjoy to watch this video, and I hope and I believe that you guys learned something from the video. You can actually take your time to actually make it looks great, fix the animation, fix the timing and the speed for it to actually look great. Thank you so much guys. Hope to see you on the next video. Don't forget to like, subscribe and leave the comment on what I shall be doing on the next video. Bless.